Meticulous measurements, attention to detail, precision. How much care lies behind the ancient art of cleaning? For us at Chimiver, creating the perfect product is all about the right ingredients, quality, and quantity. I said quantity. Quantity. Even for the best bartenders, things don't always go as planned. But don't worry, you can order all our products online with just a click and have them delivered directly to your doorstep in less than 48 hours. Starting today, you have one more option. You can stick with the usual heavy and bulky plastic bottles, very bulky. Or switch to Chimiver's new Eco-Rica-Rique water-soluble film concentrates, designed to minimize clutter and eliminate plastic waste. Using them is simple. Just take your old bottle, fill it with 1 liter of water, add an Eco-Rica-Rica, and shake. As the water-soluble film dissolves, it releases the concentrated detergent, and within seconds, your floors will be shining like new. Dilute 3 scoops in 1 liter of water to create the perfect mix for any surface. Parquet, LVT and SPC floors, resin floors, or artificial grass. In short, with Chimiver's new Eco-Rica-Rique, you get the perfect cleaning cocktail for every surface, without the clutter or waste. Discover a new cocktail for cleaning your spaces. Chimiver's Eco-Rica-Rique. Easy for you. Sustainable for everyone.